United States courts. The United States has a court system whose organization and jurisdiction are derived from the Constitution of the United States and federal laws. We'll start. The highest court is the United States Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has 9 justices. It has both appellate jurisdiction and limited original jurisdiction. It is limited to cases that deal with constitutionality. The next court down is the United States Court of Appeals. It has judges, there is no jury, it only has appellate jurisdiction. The next court down, the lowest court, is the United States District Court. It has a judge, it could possibly have a jury, and it also has original jurisdiction. It will always be original because it is the lowest U.S. court. Virginia, like each of the other 49 states, has its own separate court system whose organization and jurisdiction are derived from Virginia's Constitution and state laws. The highest court is the Virginia Supreme Court. This is the court of final appeal. It has both appellate jurisdiction and limited original jurisdiction. Again, it's limited to cases dealing with constitutionality. It has justices and there is no jury. The next court down is the Court of Appeals. It has judges. It only has appellate jurisdiction. The next court down is the Circuit Court. This has a judge. It may or may not have a jury. It has original jurisdiction for felony criminal cases and also civil cases.
If you are an 8th grade teacher and you're ready for your test tickets are ready in my office. Thanks.
It has original jurisdiction for felony criminal cases and also civil cases that are $1,000 or more. It has appellate jurisdiction from the district courts. In other words, if you lose a case in district court and feel that you're able to appeal, you can appeal up to the circuit court level. Remember, we cannot skip steps. General district court and juvenile and domestic relations. There is a judge. There is no jury here. It has original jurisdiction for misdemeanor and civil cases involving low dollar amounts and juvenile and family cases. All jurisdiction is going to be original because these are the lowest courts. Answer the following questions. Which is the federal court with original jurisdiction and the only one with a jury? The correct answer is C, U.S. District Court. Which court has justices but no jury, appellate and limited original jurisdiction, and whose decision as the highest court in the land is final? The correct answer is C, the U.S. Supreme Court.
Do you have part 12 for testing? Yeah. Okay, charged all right.
Thank you.
We're dealing with it.
These things are so unwieldy.
Yes, I will. Pushing for momentum. Keep going. All right, part 12 charged all right. There you go.
Thank you.
Oops, it keeps going. All right.
Louis Lightfingers just lost his appeal to Virginia's highest court.
What? Who?
Recording. This court has justices but no jury. It has appellate and limited original jurisdiction. Which court heard Louis' final appeal? The correct answer is B, the Virginia Supreme Court. The organization and jurisdiction of Virginia's court system originates from the correct answer is D, the state's constitution and laws. Tom Jones was convicted of a crime he says he didn't commit. His lawyer has asked that a higher court review the lower court's decision. This is called an The correct answer is A, appeal. I'm a judge at the Virginia court that has original jurisdiction of misdemeanors. I hear civil cases involving lower dollar amounts. There is no jury. I preside over which court? The correct answer is A, General District Court. I'm a judge in the Juvenile and Domestic Relations District Court. It has original jurisdiction in juvenile and family cases. There is no jury. The cases I hear involve The correct answer is B, children under 18. Which Virginia court has original jurisdiction for felony criminal cases, appellate jurisdiction from district courts, and is the only state court with a jury? The correct answer is A, circuit court. Which federal court is it that has appellate jurisdiction, judges, no jury, and whose decision can be appealed to a higher court? The correct answer is B, the U.S. Court of Appeals.